Well, god dang it. This sumbitch is broken right there. Look at that. That whole sumbitch. Busted to hell. Well, alright, here we go. Well, hi everybody. Welcome back. This is Rodney Redneck. And today we're going to be doing something. Whoa. Look at them fancy new gloves. Hot dang, those are special just for me, Mr. Rodney. I like that guy, Nate. He treats me well here. But anyway, we're going to just get right up on this here computer. And right there is an HP. And let's take a good look at this thing. There's some sticky something on it, and it looks kind of beat up. A couple of dings. Let's see what's going on here. Figure out why we're going to fix this thing. That looks alright. What is going on there? Is that screen coming out? Look at that. Boy, that ain't no good. This whole thing is separating right along this side. These clips are hanging loose. Now let's open it up and take a look. Whoa. Golly god dang, look at that. That right there is a ProBook 4535S. And let's see if you can get that there. Look at that busted up LCD. Hot dang. That some gun's gonna need to get ripped right out like an appendix and put a new one back in so this computer can live a little while longer. So how does that some gun come out of there? Well, let's start prying, ripping, and see what happens. That right there is gonna be a tough one. What is that? Someone already tried to do this. Damn, ripped it up. Alright, well, let's take out these guys right down here. I just see two screws. Can't get these things out. So we'll just rip that. We'll just go for that. Now, what is that? It looks like a star. There we go. We got that dang sang fung dungle thinged out. Let's hope it ain't ruined. God damn, that thing took some abuse. That right there just popped right out with the right amount of pressure. Hot dang. Let's hope it ain't broken. Alright, got out the second one. Sorry, you couldn't probably see that, but I did get that sucker. So let's see, that was the right side. Put that one on the right side and put this one on the left side. I don't want to forget what side they go on. Alright, we are making some progress. And we are going to get this sucker fixed. Pretty darn quick, y'all. Hot dang, we got that sucker pulled out too. Let's set that aside. Alright, we got an antenna up here. Tucked in. Got some wire. That's gonna get tucked in. Now what is holding that thing in place? Well, god dang it. This sumbitch is broken right there. Look at that. That whole sumbitch. Busted to hell. Well, I'll be god danged. Look at that. This sumbitch is in bad shape. God, man, this is in rough shape. Well, look at that. Right down there is a stinking broken LCD. Looks good. Look at that thing is busted. You can see them cracks up there. Yeah, those dark patches up in here. Alright, let's get rid of that. Alright, we got our brand fang-dangled new one. And it says right there I gotta take that sticker off before I do nothing, but I'm gonna wait. Take that sticker off after I work it. Well, alright, we got them two screws in, or them right there. We're missing one over here. I'm not going to show you, but we're missing it. Let's tuck these guys all back in. Well, there you got it. That right there is a stinking HP something ProBook 4535S with a new screen. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again. This is Rodney.